it's Bonnie. Happy Saturday! I am back. Oh my gosh, you guys, who wants to talk about cleaning products? I'm so excited to do this video. I'm actually in the process of moving my entire household over to all Avon because it's so easy to do like the one-stop shopping. If you're just joining me, I am an online Avon rep. All of my information is below, including the link to order. Shipping is free on 60. Definitely hit the subscribe button to my channel because I do all of the new stuff. Woo-hoo! And oh my gosh, we gotta talk about this stuff. So since the pandemic, I actually stopped going to like Walmart, Target, and especially with my husband and stuff, like being immunocompromised, I don't really like going out and shopping in the stores that much. I do go out. I still go out. It's nice to get out once in a while, but I've really cut down on going to like the big box stores. I feel like they're a lot more crowded than they used to be. And I really enjoy ordering my cleaning products online with Avon. They ship quickly, they're economically priced, and I've really fallen in love with the entire line. So I was kind of going to go through some of the products. We have a lot of new stuff coming up in Campaign 5. Look at this. Check it out. Like the measuring cups, the spoons, the knives, all kinds of cool stuff. I'm so excited. I'm going to be getting all of this to review. So the first Avon cleaning product that I picked up is the foaming toilet bowl cleaner. Now, Avon is owned by LG Household, which means all of these products are LG Household. So they're brand name. And the foaming toilet bowl cleaner, you get 4 in here, and it's so easy. It really is. You still have to scrub your toilet, unfortunately. Doesn't actually, you get 5 in here. I thought you got 4. You get 5. You still have to scrub your toilet, but usually what I do is I scrub my toilet, and then what I do is I drop one of these packs in, and it just absolutely makes, and not fun to talk about, yeah, your toilet bowl, makes the toilet bowl sparkle. I absolutely love this stuff. It says use every 2 weeks for a hygienic toilet, and it's so easy because you just dump it in, and it really works. I love this stuff so much. So some of the other products that I've been using are the Cucina. Is it Cucina? I said that wrong, I think. Someone corrected me. If I'm saying it wrong, let me know. This is the red apple. This is the dishwashing liquid. One of the things that I really love are the multi-purpose wipes. I use these on everything. They smell so good, and they leave everything like super fresh and clean. I use those all the time. And then I use a lot of the different other products. So they have a bathroom cleaner. When you order these, you do get the pump. And this is, it says green apple scent, which it is. I like the scent on these. If you're going to have, oops, no, don't get it on your nose, Bonnie. Do that with other products. Don't get the cleaner on your nose. Smells good. I like the green apple scent on this one. This one is 3 steps to triple action technology. It says eliminates subscum, lime scale, and everyday stains. It's nice. You just kind of spray it on, scrub it down. Bathroom cleaner. So we got that one. Then we have a multi-purpose cleaner. This has the fresh citrus scent, which I love. Get the bubble out there. I love this. This is a really strong citrus orangey scent. This can be used. It easily removes tough messes. You can use it on plastic, glass, tile, and stainless steel. Again, it comes with a pump. Spray it on, and gets everything nice and clean. They have a range hood and kitchen degreaser. I love this because you know how like everything gets greasy. You just spray it on, you wipe it off. And this is a great product. Then they also have the floor cleaner. This works on marble, ceramic, laminate, and sealed hardwood. I do have laminate flooring. This is an amazing product. It works really well. And then they also have the heavy-duty cleaning wipes. I think I like the floor cleaner a little bit better. It just is quick and easy, but you can get the heavy-duty wipes also. So lots of different cleaning products here. I feel like they're really economically priced. The The multi-purpose cleaner, $7.99. Most of them are like in the $7.99 range. I do want to get a couple of more. There's one that I need to get. I want to get the cooktop cleaner and polish because I have the glass top stove. I need to order that. They do have some bundles, which I really like. You can get like a couple of duo bundles. And then they also have the Cucina spray-on dish soap. So if you like the spray-on one, they have non-scratch 3-pack of sponges. They just have so much. They're always adding stuff, which I like. They have a moisture absorber. Let me look here. Home. They have cleaning. They have electronics. We always use the paper face masks. I like those a lot. They do have laundry. I have not tried the laundry stuff yet. I want to, though. I've been using like the Tide Free forever. And I really want to try the Fiji Fresh sheet detergent because I'm hearing it's wonderful. I keep hearing that the sheet detergent is so much better than those pods. I'm getting sick of the pods because sometimes they like don't like dissolve and they stick to your clothes. And the sheets are supposed to like dissolve really well. They come in 30 easy dissolving sheets, fresh lemon and lavender scent. So I'm thinking about trying those next. So just like they get excellent reviews. I was actually like really impressed by all the good reviews they get. So I want to try. There's other stuff that I haven't tried yet either. So if you've tried anything else I haven't tried, let me know because I'm kind of curious to see what everyone thinks. But everything is on my list. But I'm loving the home care because then what I do is when I place my Avon order, I just add in my home care products. Everything comes together. And then I'm not making like that extra trip out like to Walmart or Target or somewhere, which makes me very happy because it's saving me time. So anyway, like I said, let me know if you have used anything. I'm excited. Campaign 2 ends on the 31st, Tuesday the 31st. So don't forget to place your order. If you want to get your Valentine's Day heart necklace, I would get that sooner than later. Don't forget to check out the Fresh Start sale. Oh my gosh, they still have so much good stuff in the sale. I would check that out. It's called the Fresh Start sale. Go to special offers. Lots of good stuff there. And then we will be doing the next campaign. Avon just had the rep like kickoff launch video yesterday. It was so much fun. There's so much good stuff coming to Avon. I cannot wait to share it with you guys. I will see you then. Bye-bye.